Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Norwegian cruise lines today and how someone may be riding this cruise line to massive profits, because I'm looking for this particular stock to continue to go up. I'm going to show you all from the charts perspective as to why I think that's the case. Okay, so let's buckle in. Let's go ahead and go through these charts real quick. Simple. It's not complicated. I'm not going to talk some technical expert jargon that you guys don't understand. It's going to be real simple. And I'm going to show you that you can still be profitable and predict where prices are likely to move without being confused. So check this out. We can already see that the price action in Norwegian cruise line has been one of just very minimal movement. We're not really trending up and we're not really trending down. And that takes us all the way back to 2020 during the pandemic. All right. Now, one thing though, okay, let me show you that I've noticed as we've been seeing prices meander around $35 to $10 is, look at this though. Okay, what has the market in Norwegian cruise line, what has the low in the market has been doing? What has it been doing? Look at this. What's going on? The market here in Norwegian cruise line has been making higher lows, and it's been doing this ever since 2022. Just something for you to think about, because if the market truly was not a buy, we would not be seeing these markets or this particular market making higher lows, but it is to the point to where you can see that. Take a look. We've already seen a trend line occur into the market in Norwegian cruise line. It's trending, albeit it's not a severe trend, but you can see that we're moving up. Okay. Next thing you can see is that it looked like we're going to hit a point to where this market in Norwegian cruise line is going to do something like this. Either it's going to break out or it's going to break down, right? So now let me show you the weekly time frame right here, that last week we saw the market in Norwegian cruise line give us an indication of strength. Now that's on a weekly time frame. That's 5 days worth of trading right there. And then you take a look at this on the 2 weeks right there. So the prior 2 weeks was a pretty good indication of strength as well. And then on this 2 weeks bar, we saw some selling, but then the market concluded closing at the high of that bar. Cool. So now, does it mean to go all into the market in Norwegian? No. But it looks to be stagnant. The market in NCLH, that is the ticker symbol, looks to be stagnant right now. Okay. So now, even though I'm suspecting that this stock wants to go up, I'm not going to state that it's going to shoot up to the moon like at $60, anything like that, to where it's been in 2020. But it doesn't mean that we can't profit off of the move to the upside, because I think that it still wants to do that. So given that that's the case, we are going to create this level to which we suspect that we may get hit with some selling. Okay, see an increase in selling that's going to stop that move up in Norwegian cruise line. All right, so now so we're going to top these two sell zones right here. Okay, so we got that identified. We got that location to where those are sellers. Here is where we're going to look for the buyers. Okay, so if price falls in Norwegian cruise line, this is where we want to see the market come in and stop that move from going lower. These two zones. All right. Now let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And this is our idea. Okay, let's take it down to the second buy zone. First target is going to be around like $21.34 at the low of the sell zone, or even at the high, which gives us around $11.37. Okay. And we may just see it go that high, which is why I'm showing you now. This may be the top before price in Norwegian cruise line begins to go lower. Here's the second one. Okay, this is our second target. Now, it may take us a couple of weeks, couple of months for us to actually see this particular stock actually run back up to the highs of like $22, $23, which has been about a year. It's been a whole year since the market in Norwegian cruise line came up there to around 23 bucks. So am I like 100% that that's going to happen? No. Am I 25%? Maybe. But we'll see. Okay, so let's put that there and we're done. Like I told you, I'm not going to speak anything that's complicated, that's confusing, that's complex, because charting, looking at price action, it's not supposed to be that. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.